with just one prompt, create banner images like this, infographics with detailed information, create product images, logos, and promotion materials. Also having the ability to split into elements, dividing every single image, font, text in its dedicated layer. GPT-Image-2 and Nano banana support. Edit your text in real time with various parameters. Prompt to add more elements or features to this image. Customize with elements, fonts, stickers. Add your own text if required. And many other features which we could try. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. This is Skywork with images. And we got GPT-Image-2 and Nano banana. You can choose directly or you can choose the auto model. Based on the prompt, it can automatically choose the model. You got various examples to get started, and this is really stunning. Considering all of these images are generated from just prompts. Designing can never be easier than this. In Canva, you use templates or modify everything individually. But here, everything is prompt driven. First, we are going to see how to create banner images with various options such as split elements, erase, text, removing background image, and much more. We also have in painting. Create your own elements within image by drawing it and asking what you want to generate. And that will add whatever is requested. And finally, creating product images and logos. Everything using Skywork AI. And I'll provide the link in the description for you to sign up. Thanks to Skywork AI for sponsoring this video. Once after you sign up, clicking the images, choosing the model of my choice, I'm choosing GPT-Image-2. First, I need a skateboarding poster with all this information. Text, join our community, keep moving, falling is not the end. Free above board. And the resolution 3:4. So after doing that, I'm clicking send. Let's see how easy is this to create image, edit image, and export the image. Now it is generating, and here is the image. And I'm going to go full screen. You can see the clarity, and it's exactly as I requested. Now this is single layer, but what if you want this to divide into multiple layers? So you can move these elements such as text and the image. So I'm going to do that. There's an option called split elements at the top. So clicking on that. And now this is with different layers. You can move however you want. And you can even edit the text now. Let's do. And I can even modify the font. So there are different options here. I can choose whatever I like. Also, I can change the position, change the color, and much more. Now I want to add some elements. So I just go here, asset library. I can generate asset from here, a cat on a skateboard, generating the image. And you can see the element got generated. So I'm going to add it, adding it to the image and send to back. So similarly, you can add whatever elements you want. And I can add text starting soon. And I can choose the font, and that's it. Next, I can do in painting. So I can choose the element. There's the in paint option at the top. So clicking on that, now I can color whatever I want. I'm choosing the shoes and saying change the shoe color and redraw. Now it's generating a different layer. That makes it much more easier. So I can delete the old layer and keep the new layer. Generation is now completed. Now I can delete this previous layer and add this new. But now I want to remove the background. So I can just zoom in to show you on how to remove the background. So here is the option, remove background. And now it's generating again. And the background is now removed. And I'm using that image. That is really nice. You can see how easy is this to change items or the colors within one image, such as shoe color. I was able to remove the background. And also this is multi-layered. You also have option to upscale. So I can just click this image and click upscale, and it'll automatically upscale the image. So everything is built in. Here you can see the upscaled image. That's much more larger. So I can even export this directly from here. If you want to erase any part, you can just choose this erase icon, then erase whatever you don't like. And here is the image after erasing the screw here. To download, I can click the download icon at the top right hand corner, and you can see it got downloaded. After opening the downloaded folder, you can see all the layers separate from each other. Easy for us to edit further if required. If you want to export together, select all these layers Then you got the download option. Click on the download, merge export, and that will automatically download the merged version. I really like this. Next, I want to show you how to create infographic like image. So I want to see every component in a photographic camera. So I'm giving the prompt here, and here is the output. A vintage camera with all these parts marked correctly. That is really nice. Next, I want to create a product image. So I'm giving a prompt like this. I'm giving the text what should come in the product and what color. Aluminum soda can. So after adding the prompt, click generate. And here is the product image. That is really nice. I really like the details in it. Now let's create a logo, and I want to design for the brand Luma, and I'm providing the colors what I want to use. So once after you do that, click generate. And here is the logo. Cold brew coffee. If I want to make any more modification, I can follow up with more prompts. Next, I asked to create a clean educational infographic explaining the process of photosynthesis. And as a result, I got this image. Sunlight, water, and then growth. Finally, I want to show you how you can generate image from reference, or you have brand guidelines. So for example, I'm going to choose this, and I can use it as a reference. So clicking on that, so now you can see a reference is added. So similarly, your brand guidelines or your branding styles can be added. So now I'm going to say, change the dogs to cats. I'm clicking generate. And here is the cat image. Change the dog into a cat. As simple as that. And you can see the quality, it's really nice. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like Skywork AI, I also created another video which explains about various other features, which I'll put the link in here, and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.